If you are looking for the best retractable tonneau covers, here's a list you must see. We made this list based on our personal preference and sorted it based on their features, prices, quality, durability, and reputation of the manufacturers. Also, we've included options for every type of customer. So, let's get started. The number one position is dominated by Roll and Lock M Series. The Roll and Lock M Series tonneau cover is one of the best truck cover options when you want to maximize the space left over in the bed. The vinyl and aluminum construction of the rolling cover fits into a compact housing that takes up a smaller footprint than some other competitor models. The materials also provide a good amount of weather and impact resistance. Functionality is where this cover really shines. The torsion spring inside the housing does a good job of getting the cover to roll in and out smoothly. The lock is easy to use to secure the bed from the outside. Installation is also fairly straightforward as long as you can get past the confusing instructions. Said instructions are the main drawback of this cover option. The text in the instructions is difficult to follow, especially if you have never installed a retractable tonneau cover before. To circumnavigate the issue, it's better to refer to video installation tutorials. Otherwise, the installation just takes a little bit of time to get done. Moving on to the next at number 2 with Pace Edwards Switchblade. It can be difficult to find a high-quality retractable tonneau cover in the bottom budget range of covers, but the Pace Edwards Switchblade cover is a strong competitor. It offers a lot of design features that are common with higher-priced models at the fraction of the cost. It also has a low-profile design, perfect for preserving the truck's looks. Using aluminum panels with a polymer finish, Pace Edwards Armortech deck does a good job of keeping the basic weather elements out of the truck bed. The sleek design blends well into the bed as well, preserving the bed rails for other accessories on some trucks' models. Others may have the straight pockets blocked. Unfortunately, this isn't the easiest cover to install. Like many retractable truck covers, precise alignment is necessary to get everything running smoothly. The guide rails on the sides, for example, take some time to get properly aligned, so the cover can't slide in and out of the house without getting hung up anywhere. The number 3 position is held by RetraxPRO XR. The RetraxPRO XR is one of the few tonneau covers that solves a common problem with anyone wanting to fit racks and accessories under the bed rails: space issues. Many tonneau covers take up space on the bed rails, blocking access to the stake pockets ladder racks need to mount onto the truck. With the XR, however, the cover offers another solution. 2 long rack tracks, similar to the tracks installed on a vehicle's roof to hold crossbars, run parallel between the cover. These tracks can accept a number of popular roof racks from Yakima, Thule, and others. This makes it easy to carry things like bikes and cargo racks above the cover. The cover itself is high in quality and does a good job of keeping moisture out, safe for the corners of the truck bed and around the edges of the cover. Installation requires some extra effort given the heavier side rails. In most cases, 2 or more people make the installation process much easier. Next at number 4, we have Gator EDX Soft Trifold Truck Bed Tonneau Cover. Gator Covers makes a soft yet durable and reliable tonneau cover for any Chevy, GMC, Silverado, or Sierra model, well, as long as it was built between the years 2014 and 2019. It's an easy-to-install cover that doesn't require a lot of time to do so either. All it takes is around 10 minutes or so to set up the cover to protect your truck bed and equipment. It's designed out of a heavy-duty and lightweight aluminum frame that is backed by industrial-strength vinyl and a strong sealing to prevent leaks. It even folds up to allow for easy loading and unloading of gear or whatever you decide to stow in the back. It also enhances the way your truck looks so it can stand out in a crowd. However, the clamps that hold the cover under the truck are plastic and may break more easily than if they were metal. It can also flap around at higher speeds and make a bit of noise. It's also one of the cheapest on our list, which makes it a great value, but you are missing out on the integrity of higher-end models. The number 5 position is held by Buck Revolver X4 Hard Rolling Truck Bed Tonneau Cover. Buck's tonneau cover is compatible with Dodge Ram 1500 trucks, but only ones built between 2019 and 2020. The cover features rotational locking rails that secure it to the entire length of the bed, 5 foot 7 inches. Plus, it comes with a latching mechanism that locks the cover with a tailgate so it can't be opened by anyone but you. Box cover is also one of the strongest and most durable of our picks as well. It's constructed with a matte finish, black vinyl material that's built over aluminum slats, all of which make it capable of withstanding up to 400 pounds of weight. However, it is rather expensive, so it will set you back a bit. Also, compatibility is limited as it's only built to fit one truck body type. Next at number 6, we have Syntecusa Aluminum. This 5.5-foot tonneau truck bed cover is designed for short beds such as the F150. It's built out of strong aluminum slats and powder coated with a matte textured black finish. That final coat ensures it is protected against rain, snow, salt, dust, and any other type of weather. It's also UV protected and can be lockable in any position, so your cargo is secured while you're away. It's easy to access your gear as well, as it can be slid backwards and forwards without much of a hassle. However, it may take a bit of time to install, up to 30 minutes, plus it will require you to do some manual labor after installation, as you will need to drill holes for proper drainage. Another thing is the instructions can be difficult to follow. Finally, at number 7, with Oedro Roll-Up Truck Bed Tonneau Cover. As one of the less expensive tonneau covers to make your list, the Oedro Truck Bed Cover is great for those who need protection but don't want to pay a pretty penny. The soft cover fits 2002 to 2020 Dodge Ram 1500S and 2003 to 2018 Dodge Ram 2500S and 3500S. One of the best benefits is it easily folds up so you can access your truck bed quickly and easily. It also comes with a tailgate lock so your stuff will be protected from thieves, snow, rain, UV and dust while you're driving or park the truck at the grocery store. The cover itself is made out of a double layer of PVC and is rated with UV protection so it's safe in the sun. However, you may also want to research online how to install it as the instructions can be a bit difficult to understand. It also may take around half an hour to install it. Also keep in mind that one of the factors that make it so cheap are its Velcro strips that hold it onto the truck. Velcro is useful but can be a pain at highway speeds. That's all for today. We upload product review videos in every single day. So don't forget to subscribe, like, comment, share, and hit the bell button for the upcoming video notifications.